Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna be working on a design that I made. I've already created the website. It's for a cafe or restaurant or whatever. I already created the website, but it's only the mobile version. So now I'm gonna try to make it responsive and work for desktop also. So I'm gonna just show you guys really quickly the mobile version, how it looks on the phone. So as you can see here, this is on Google Chrome. This is just like the home screen, and when you go to the menu, you have here are the menu items, and then you can click on drinks and it shows you only the drinks, and then you can click on snacks and it shows you only the snacks, and then you can click on the meals, shows you only the meals, and then this is all dynamically added with JavaScript, which is the main thing that I really wanted to practice with this project. And then I have here this mobile nav bar. I really wanted to add like a cool animation for this, but I'm still not sure how I'm going to be doing that or what I want to do. So you have home, menu, reserve, and contact. So we just saw the menu and the home, and then this is the reserve page. I still need to add a bit of JavaScript to this one. So for example, when they click on the time, I want to add like an active state to that. And the numbers, you have the submit button, and then I have the contact page. So this is if you want to contact the restaurant or whatnot. And again, this is only the mobile version. So if you look at the actual desk, everything looks huge. You go to home and it's like really bad. Everything is down. ah. The menu also looks really bad. The menu doesn't look so bad, but this is not exactly what I want for the menu. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna be moving this. I'm not gonna have the nav bar. So I think we'll just start with the home page. So this is how the home page looks. So first of all, I should show you guys the actual design. The design, I made it with Figma. So first I created this document, which is kind of just has the colors, is like my inspo page or whatever, the typography, what I used, and then I made the design for the mobile version. So I have here, as you can see, the images are not exactly the same, and this is just what I created as in the design, but once I started actually developing everything, I was like, okay, I'm gonna change this. So I did change some things. And then this is how the desktop version is going to look. This is how I want it to look. So you can see here, for example, the home page, you can see how it looks, and then you can see how it looks now, which obviously is not good. It's this one, and then this is how I want the menu to look, and this is how I want the contact page and the reservations page. So this is what I'm gonna be working from. So we're gonna start with the home page. We're probably not gonna finish all of this in one go, obviously. If I suddenly just put music, then it's because my son woke up. So let's just get to coding. So I'm here in the index.html. This is for the home page, and then this is the style for the home page. So I'm gonna look for I think I already fixed the background image. Where is it? Ah, I was looking at the wrong CSS. Okay, you see here. So here I have already added the different image that I want. And now I think I'm gonna change this, which is my H1 heading. My H1 heading. So I want that to be in the center. What should we use to center it? And I have also the menu here. So this is gonna be on top of the menu. Maybe it's better if we do the nav bar first, and then we can move that on top of it. Actually, you know what? What I didn't think about is that if you look at the mobile version, it doesn't show. As you can see here, it just shows these 3 buttons. But in the other pages, the menu page, contact page, reserve page, I have like an actual nav bar, and also here. So I have to add the HTML Where's my menu? So I'm gonna take this from here, my nav bar, copy that, add it to my index HTML. Should I add it in the container? Yeah, or why not? Do you guys use tab or do you guys use spaces? I feel like that a lot of people debate about that, and I'm just like, why does it matter? I mean, does it matter? I really don't know. I don't know if it matters. Sometimes I use tabs, sometimes I use spaces. Does that make me weird? Probably. Okay, so we have the nav bar, but now if we look at the mobile version, it's gonna be there. Let's go inspect. Where are you? You see, the nav bar is there. So what we need to do is we need to go, because obviously we don't want that to show up. So what we need to do is for the mobile version, let's just put here. Always try to remember to comment my code in case I come back to it, which I probably will. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the nav bar and just pretty much hide it. .nav display none, and we will see if this actually took it away. Yes, you see, it's not there anymore. So that's for the mobile version. So now we have to do the desktop. Obviously, for the desktop, we actually want it to show. So we're gonna use a media query. So at media, for the one above, I used men with 800 pixels. Men with 800 pixels. And then we're gonna do nav. How do we want to display it? Should we do display flex? Well, let's see. Let's go back to the mobile version. To this. So if you see, we actually have to also, this is gonna stay, the buttons. I need to hide the buttons. So maybe let's do that first. So dot buttons. I need to display none. Display none. Well, let's see if that took them away. Oh, I'm so used to turning because when I'm coding, I have on this screen I will have something, then I have this screen, then I have this screen. But since I'm recording now, I have to have everything on one screen. So you can see that took it away. So we're good. We're going. Now we're gonna work on the nav. So dot nav. How should we display it? We can do display flex. Display flex. How do we want to justify the content? Let's look at my other notes. So I have these notes here. Right. This is why I always say have digital notes, because you can always come back to them. So I have my notes here from Flexbox, and I come back to these notes literally every day. So I'm gonna probably use let's just check justify content center just to see where it takes us. We're just gonna check justify content center. You know, just gotta try things out. Why is it doing that? Next time. Because I have here, you see these have the same class. So we're gonna have to change this here. Nav links. Nav links, and then we're gonna change this to just nav. What should we do it? Nav li? I don't know, because I used this for the others. So we're gonna have to change this. I didn't think about that before. I should have probably thought about that. And we're just gonna change this to nav link because this is the actual link. I always overlook something, and it happens to everyone, so don't stress about that. Nobody is perfect. So we fixed that, so now let's see how that looks. Okay, you see, so now it's just that. So as you can see, there's the little X that I used for the mobile version. So obviously we're gonna have to take that out because we don't need that anymore. So we take that out. Okay. So it is in the center, but I want to align it. Should I do it? Justify content. Align items to the center of the main axis with space between alignments and center, but the first and last items are unlocked. they have space around. Should we do space between? And then let's try a space between. If this doesn't work, then I'm probably gonna go to grid. I mean, I like Flexbox, but I always end up going to grid. You know what's happening? Because it's a list. So we need to style the list. We need to style the list. Dot map. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. Yes, finally. Okay, and now we need to select the links, the nav. I think it's nav link, right? Dot nav link, and we need to change. Is it the link? Yeah, the anchor tag. So we need to change pretty much the style of it. So text decoration none, and then we're gonna do the color. I'm gonna do bar color light, and then what font family should we use? I think, which one did I choose? Was it the subheading? Yeah, or was it the text? Font family, subheading, and what font size? Font size. We're gonna do should we do H2, H3? I don't know. Let's see how this looks. Whoa. That is not what we want. Let's try H3. Yeah, you see the difference? But this font, I think I mixed up my variables because I didn't put the correct one that I put in the design in my variable in the CSS. This looks better. This looks like the actual design. Now let's see if should I make it bigger? What font sizes do I have? I have 3 in the body. Which one do I have now? 3? Yeah. Let's try 2. Whoa, that's too big. I definitely need an in between. Oh. Let's do H3 for now. Let's just do that for now. And then, what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Now we need to move it. So, you see how this is like this? I need to allow this heading to overlap the menu. Then if it overlaps it, then it'll be easier. Then it'll probably go up. So what is this heading? Just heading. Let's do this. Or should we do the Z index on the nav? I just always put 1000. I didn't do it. Actually, I can just move the HTML. Move it. Yeah. Then it'll be on top. You see? Okay. Oh, I need to stop doing that. Yes. So it's in the center now. I need to change the margin. I think I need to change this font size. This is not good. But that is like huge. Should I just add a different font size? What is between 3 and 2? Whoa. I need like 2 round. Let's do 2 round. Let's just do 2 round. That's much better. That's much better. We'll just do it like that. And now we need to add some margin, which we should do it to the actual. Actually, we're gonna have to remove this. Margin to the top. We should just do the top. Margin top. How much? 0.5. I always just start with 0.5. Oh no, not margin. Padding. I didn't say that. That does not look bad at all. I'm so sorry, guys. I keep turning to the sides. I need to get the hang of this. Now what I need to figure out is the spacing between menu and reserve, and then I need to place the heading in between that. I could do that. Just do more padding. Yeah. We're gonna do that. This is padding. We can just do padding. So the top we'll do 0.5 and the side. Let's just do 0.5 everywhere. See how that looks. And now if we want to target, if you want to target a specific thing in a list, you can use nth child, or you can just add a class. I'm just gonna add the class menu and the class reserve. Actually, I don't even need it on both. I can just use the menu one. And then here, I'm gonna do menu, padding, right. How much should we do? Let's do 1 for now, just to see how that looks. Whoa. Oh, because, wait, what? Why does it have both of them? Did I add it to both? What? The menu class. It's on the menu. What? What? Oh, because it's here also. So, obviously can't do that. nav menu. I really need to think about my class names next time because that's obviously not working. I'm obviously not doing that correctly. You see, that's better. It has like that space between, but we need more than that, more space than that. So let's try, I don't know, 3M. That looks a little bit better. Probably 4M. That is a little bit better. But I think it's better also. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna put nav space because nav menu is like a weird. Nav menu sounds like a weird. Name. That's not looking bad. I think still a little bit more. It doesn't look exactly, and it's because of where the picture is. I don't know if it's because of where the picture is. Oh, this is bugging me. The picture, if you see like the picture, the little table is not exactly in the middle. Is it? I'm not even gonna stress about this. I'm just trying to do the layout and put everything where it's supposed to be. So now let's go to the heading. Now let's go to the heading. What do we want to do with the heading? Obviously, we're going to change the size because it's huge. So let's see what we had before. Before we had H1. So let's do font size. What should we do? Maybe H2? H2 or H3? Font size H2. Let's try that. Still pretty big. And that's way too small. This is funny. I think. That's like perfect. Obviously my variables are very off. I'm gonna have to fix that eventually or for my next project. The main reason that I wanted to make this project was mainly for JavaScript and practicing JavaScript, but I always get obsessed with the design of things and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, now we need to position this. Should I just move it? I'm just gonna move it. Position, absolute, top, I don't know. Let's just do 10 pixels. I always just start with 10 pixels just to see where does it take me, you know? And then I'm like, okay, I need to go a little bit more up, I need to go a little bit more down. And then obviously left, we have to go a lot left. Let's try 200 pixels. Save. Still a lot more. So let's try maybe 500 pixels. That's like almost perfect. Whoa. Maybe 550. Yeah, needs to go a little bit more up. Actually, I don't even know if we need top. I think it will be good. But you know what? Z index. Because I wanted to go over the menu element. If not, it's not gonna go over it. Top. I don't know, 5 pixels. Set direction. It's almost there. What if we do -5? We're getting there. It's like funny, we go little by little, little by little. I'm gonna move this 530. It's like almost perfect. It's crazy. Look at them. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Honestly, that does not look bad. Look at that. Let me get a little closer. How do I close this? Yes, there's an option here. I'm still pretty new to I'm still pretty new to Figma, so I don't really know how to do everything. For example, I don't know how to close this. Like, I want to move the nav, but whatever, we're gonna keep it like that. Why don't you move? I think the only way to do it is if you go like on presentation mode. Here. Yes. And slash. There you go. You see, you learn something new every day. So now we can actually see how that looks. So you can see it actually looks similar. So now I need to make this button, view menu. It really doesn't look bad. Yeah. So now I'm gonna have to add the I'm gonna have to add that in the HTML as well. Should I just make it a button? Yeah. I'm getting enough bar. Button. View menu. Plus equals, I don't know, not menu button. This is like one of the most annoying, not annoying, but like things that you need to do that you're like, oh, here we go, another class name, another ID name. I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, menu. I hope I didn't use this before. I don't think so, or maybe I did. Let's check the menu. No, and the icon and the item, it didn't, so it should be okay. Menu button. And now we have to go to the style CSS and here, display none, so that it doesn't show in the mobile version. And now we're gonna go here. Where are you, button? I don't see it. Where is my button? Did I not save it? Oh. Because I put display none, so it's not showing it. So now I have to display it. And menu. Display block, yeah, whatever. We're gonna have to move it anyway. And let's see how it shows. Yes, it's right here. So now we style it. So I actually removed the styles from other buttons that I have. I think that was on my reserve CSS. Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? That's right. But this is not exactly what I want to do. We can copy some of this because we're gonna use some of it, not all of it, but we can use some of it. So obviously the width is not gonna be 88 view width. It's gonna be more like 25. Font family, text, yes. Font weight, yes. Font size, yes. Background color. Actually, I want the accent color. Whoa. And then border style, I want, color. No, we want the color light. And actually, we want to change the background color of it as well. Yeah, we changed it already. Padding, border radius, margin top. Probably not going to use that for now. Now let's see how this looks. Whoa! That is obviously not correct. Actually, I think we should do the background transparent. I think that's how I had it on the other one. Let's do transparent. And obviously the size is very bad. This obviously much better already. Let's give it a border. What border does it have? Just a, I don't know, 3 pixels, solid, vivid, color, light. Yes, 3 pixels is too much. Let's do 3 pixels. Yes, now we need to fix the letters. We need to change them. Text transform, uppercase. And then we need to fix the padding. How much padding should we add? 1M is probably too much. Let's try 0.5. Let's try 1.5. Whoa. What is happening here? You know what is happening? Why is it doing that? because of the width. What if we move this? Yeah, we don't need to, so we're gonna use a padding. You see how it looks like that? Looks good. So now we have to move it. So how are we gonna move it? With position absolute. Obviously, I need to learn how to spell. Left, I don't know, 1,000 pixels. Save it. Bottom. You know what else you could use? You can use the float. CSS float. Wow. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my laptop is overheating. I've never screen recorded like this, and I don't know how long I've been recording for, but it's starting to glitch. I think I'm just gonna stop it for now.